What a nice time we eating
Yeah,
at
I
the
feel good.
grill. Okay, let me just get some marshmallows in the camp. There we go. Got the marshmallows. There you go, Matt.
Wait, wait, wait.
Max, where's the meat?
Oh, I gave it to some dogs in the middle of the woods.
How do you know if they're safe or not, or if they're wolves?
And really, that's actually not dogs.
Oh my.
So they're actually wolves.
Mine's on
Sorry,
fire. Okay, let's eat it. Nom nom nom. Okay,
Now time to
well,
go on my marshmallows.
it's 1 p.m., so I guess we can go for a swim. I'm gonna go and change.
Me too. Me.
And I'm finished. Okay, you look like you're finished as well. Like to
I have a lifeguard, so in case.
Let's go.
Can we go on the boat for a bit?
Okay, sure.
I'm gonna watch a bit on my iPad. Where's my
Wait,
iPad?
wait, let me
Ooh, and I forgot my glove. Let me get him too. Got my hello
wait,
and everything.
let me just put on the safety thing so that it doesn't get wet. Okay.
Ready?
How's
The black one. That's
flying? Okay. What? Why am I crying? Anyway. Guys, I have no idea what's that. Just ignore that.
help! It's help! Help!
Yeah,
It's spinning.
I know.
No.
Okay, let's just go back. It's getting late. Wait, no. Yeah, let's go back. Okay, so
Snake.
I'm just
I'm gonna
gonna
go
go in.
change first.
Okay, me too. I'm just gonna relax. Okay.
I'm watching you. And you heard laughing and you saw nothing.
What's that noise? I don't see nothing. Okay, let's
I see you.
what's that noise? What? I saw a little like
I was watching you.
I'm just gonna take a little nap and I'll be right back.
Yeah.
I'm quickly going to the shop to get some food for tomorrow morning. And
Okay.
it will be fast. I'll be back. Oh, wakey, wakey, it's Sylvia.
Here, Frank. Oh yeah, what are you doing?
What are you doing? You said we're gonna have a sleepover.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, you look cute. Buddy, what happened to your eye?
Oh, I don't know. I was busy checking my face until someone went back to me and they cut open my eye.
Ooh, was it this lady? This mean girl? Okay, guys, so sorry. We have no idea who she is. We're just gonna pause the video until she goes away.
Okay, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's
Back to
gone.
the video. Buddy, I'm asking you, are you sure you're not a different person?
Yeah, that was the exact same woman. She cut my eye out. She threw it down. Died.
Okay. Now, what should we do?
I don't know. Ooh, I know what to do. Climb up the chimney.
I'm gonna be roasted by going to the fire. Don't! No! Do not!
No, no, no. Wait.
Oh no! Pick me up! No!
Can't move.
Somebody help me! Help. Guys, like and subscribe so I can get a gun and get him. And guys, hurry! Like and subscribe. Did you do it? Hurry! Thank you
Yeah, that's
for
perfect.
liking and subscribing. Now I got a gun. I better run away. Guys, subscribe so I can get an axe. Please, please, please. Okay, thank you guys. He doesn't see me. I've got to knock him out.
Can't.
No. Guys, I got him. What should I do? Let me give him some of my taste what he did to me. Yeah, he's truly there we go. Now he can burn. I better run. I better run. Let me just get my gun point.
Ready on. I come up.
Oh no, I better run.
I'm gonna chop you up into little pieces. I know where you are. I know where you are.
I better run. Run.
Where did he? Wait a minute. I think you're in that bush. It better be, because I know you love marshmallows. Come here, little buddy. Come here.
Marshmallows, I have got to get it. How do I get in? Okay, and close. Open. Open. I smell marshmallows. Pause. My preschool.
Gotcha. You can't move. That won't work. You're pointing the wrong way.
Someone help. Help.
And
Help.
you said like and subscribe, comment, share. Quickly, guys, hurry.
Quickly, guys, hurry, like and subscribe so I can be saved. Help.
Do it. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Or
Hurry.
you can just like, subscribe, and share.
It doesn't feel so good. Now I'm gonna game for good. I know it's my best
Yeah.
buddy.
What happened? Oh, hey, Omega Nugget. What happened?
Goody. You're back. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just leave. Maybe I'll just hit it.
Wait, no, you don't have the correct.
Hi, sorry I was late.
I just want to say after that, can you please end the video? And here's Marshmallow.
Well, thank you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for all of the background noises.
Yeah.
Okay.
And after this, we're gonna do our shucks thing because why not?
And guys, if this video gets 10, no, 100 likes, we're gonna make a part 3.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
You have to like. Bye.